All right, welcome to McBoss Capital Channel. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Friday, April 10th, 2026, 9:24 a.m. Mountain Time, half an hour past 11 a.m. Eastern Time almost. Nasdaq is up 0.7%. Dow is down zero point 0.3, so that's kind of odd, right? S&P is up zero point 0.1, and volume are both slightly higher on Nasdaq and NYC at this moment. Let's go take a look at the QQQ index here. Looks like my machine is slow again on this market search tool. So here we are, very strong movement since the Tuesday evening announcement of the ceasefire deal. We continue to climb, and today we climb higher. So we're definitely out of the red line zone there, and looks like at this moment there's not much resistance. I mean the resistance would be more lateral right here from the previous high there, which we are getting towards to. Um, But we are on 8 days straight right now. So it's definitely getting quite extended right now. But the market is continue to show strength as we hit new highs today, this intraday so far. So we'll see how that continue. SPY also doing similar, hitting new intraday highs right now. Also, very similar chart to Nasdaq. Um, so they're all coming back up pretty fast. So and we have fall through day right on Wednesday. So things are looking pretty good this morning. Dow just slightly at the 50-day line. So that's the problem right now. Is having some problem trying to come through that in this morning. Look at that. It doesn't look the same as S&P and Nasdaq. It's just a little bit weaker. It hasn't made a new high today. So that is a big problem. IWM also similar, not making new high yet for the day. Um, but on daily chart it looks okay. Like I mean it is out of the red line zone. It is digesting right now. So I mean overall it's not bad. I mean besides Dow, showing a little bit weakness at the red line 50-day, every other index seems to be holding up or continuing to make new highs. So on stocks on the move, we do have some stocks here, not as many as this morning. No, I think this is old. Let me refresh. Let me refresh here. One second. We do have 20 stocks here. Uh, yeah, so at the bottom we have 44% above average volume, so that's pretty good. We have MXL, MU, Nvidia. Like Nvidia is making a big move today, so that is very welcoming news for the market because Nvidia is one stock that has been stuck for a long, long time. I'm not sure about other big caps, but let me just take out my marker for a second here. You can see it just been gyrating for a long time. This is a long, long base. So we're just coming back to the previous channel line based on the previous high here. But the the key is it has bounced back quite significantly, just like the index has. Relative strength, slight improvement, right? Especially today. Today is a big move, 3%. Probably the big, yeah. So we're still not fully clear, but this is a welcoming move right now. And we're starting to get back to the middle range right now. So that is good sign. And so we'll see. We'll continue. The chip area is doing pretty well, unlike the software group. Uh, Let me show you the list here from this morning. ALAB, AMD, AVGO, Sienna, Lumentum Light, LRCX, Marvel doing really well, MU, MXL, Rambus, a lot of chip stocks, right? STX, TSEM, TSM. So very strong group today. Those are all stocks on the move. We have industrials as well, FN, um, Let me bring up FN here. Go to, there's not much retail showing up at this moment, at least not on stocks on the move. So, ALNT on the industrial side, CLS, Cohere, FN, Glow, this one continue to do well. Let's take a quick look at that one. GLW. Again, my screen a little bit slow. I should restart my browser, but it's really slow at this moment. Okay, Corning, look at this, making new high. I mean, some of the leaders are quite extended. You see, this is the 10-day right there. It is quite extended. So at any moment now, we could have a pullback. I wouldn't chase them if you're not in them. You know, Wednesday would have been the day to get in. But yeah, if you miss that, today is the third, and they're quite extended from 10 days. So at any time now, they could pull back. So GLW, JBL also making a move. TTMI. No, I didn't see any health stocks this morning. On the commodity side, we have BHP, FCX, SQM. And then financial, I didn't see anything that came up on the screen as well. So overall, the market seems to be, tech seems to, do well, at least on the chip side mostly, and the other groups, the leader group, besides software. And then we have some industrial also doing well, at least leading in that sense. Well, I'll come up with more videos this weekend. Thank you for watching. We'll see how this market closes. It's a very good streak right now. 8 days up. That's a pretty good streak. I expect some pullback coming soon. So who knows what will happen over the weekend with the Iran, US Israel peace deal that they're gonna negotiate. So we'll see. I think it's supposed to happen today sometime. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.